Hey guys, TinyMaths here, back with another video. Today we'll be learning how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. We'll be converting these to examples. These fractions are improper since, for both of them, the numerator is larger than the denominator. 10 is larger than 9 and 5 is larger than 2. Normally, when taking tests and answering questions involving fractions, if the result you get is an improper fraction, you will be expected to convert it to a mixed number. A mixed number is just a number that is made up of two elements, a whole number and a fraction. Here are our two improper fractions expressed as a mixed number. 10 over 9 is the same as 1 and 1/9, and 5 over 2 is the same as 2 1/2. We can actually see that these fractions really are just mixed numbers written in a different format. Take 10 over 9. If we take an area and divide it into 9 sections and just select one of the sections, then the selected section represents 1/9 of the whole thing. If we select all of the sections, then we have selected 9/9 of the whole, which is the whole area, because 9 over 9 equals 1. Putting them together, you can see we have 1 and 1/9. But if you look again, we have 9/9 and we have an extra 1/9, which means that we're going to have 9/9 plus 1/9, which is 10/9. So 10/9 is really just 1 and 1/9. They are the same thing, just two different ways of writing the same number. We can show the same thing for 5 over 2. This is 2 halves. Add 2 halves to it, and that's 4 halves. Add 1 half to that, and you get 5 halves. But look again, this is in fact 2 1/2. 1, 2 1/2. 5 over 2 and 2 1/2 are just two different ways of writing the same number. So let's see how the conversion process works. For 10 over 9 or 10/9, you need to look at this as a basic division problem. You need to ask how many times 9 goes into 10. 9 goes into 10 once, 1 times 9 equals 9. Subtract that and you have 1 as a remainder. When you can go no further, you'll be left with three main numbers. The divisor, which was your original denominator, the number at the top, which represents the number of times the divisor goes into the numerator, and the remainder. These numbers make up the elements of the mixed number that the improper fraction is equivalent to. The top number becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the numerator of the new fraction, and the divisor becomes the denominator of the new fraction. So our mixed number is 1 and 1/9, which is the same as 10/9, as we saw earlier. For 5 over 2, ask how many times 2 goes into 5. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract that and you have 1 as a remainder. Now you can go no further and are left with three main numbers, your divisor, which is 2, the top number, which is 2, and the remainder, which is 1. The top number becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the numerator of the new fraction, and the divisor becomes the denominator of the new fraction. So our mixed number is 2 1/2, which is the same as 5 over 2, as we saw earlier. So that's how you convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Remember, use division by asking how many times the denominator goes into the numerator, how much remains, then using the divisor, remainder, and the top number in your calculation to construct the mixed number that is equivalent to the improper fraction. Well, that's it for now. I've made other videos involving mixed numbers. They are how to add mixed numbers, how to multiply mixed numbers, how to divide mixed numbers, and how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, all of which you can watch by clicking the video links that I've included here on screen. Well, thanks for watching. Until the next video, take care.